Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best ATV sprayers that you should buy. Let's get started. To start off with is the Chapin International 12V EZ mount fertilizer. Featuring an ergonomic shut-off valve, this spray's shut-off system can be easily removed for cleaning or maintenance. The translucent tank lets you know when it's time to refill it, so you won't be caught off guard. The tank's 5-inch mouth allows you to quickly access the interior. It also comes with a drain plug so you can clean it easily. The sprayer's 12-volt diaphragm pump operates at 4.5 GPM. Its dual filtration system, 15-foot reinforced hose, and 18-inch spray wand are exactly what you need to complete your tasks faster. The tank is resistant to chemicals and can hold common pesticides, weed killers, and fertilizers. Next up is the Ironton ATV spot sprayer. Northern Tool has used Santoprene and Viton components to make this sprayer's 1 GPM Ironton pump, ensuring it is durable and chemical resistant. And that's not all. The 8-gallon tank is resistant to UV rays and can hold almost all pesticides. Gallon marks provide an easy way to monitor liquid levels to ensure you don't run out. The tank's 3.5-inch opening and easy empty bottom drain let you fill it and drain it easily. The ATV spot sprayer has a gun nozzle that lets you adjust the spray from stream to cone depending on the task. Its hose is lightweight and made from clear PVC reinforced with braided synthetic. To end with is the Master Manufacturing 15-gallon. The 12-volt Everflow diaphragm pump on this sprayer has a 1 GPM flow rate. It is powerful and can spot spray up to 15 gallons. You will also love the adjustable spray gun that can spray mist or stream and is attached to a 15-inch rubber hose. The sprayer comes in a standard size to fit most ATVs and UTVs. The manufacturer also provides a 12-volt wire harness for quick battery connection. This is a powerful sprayer that can hold pesticides, disinfectants, herbicides, water, and insecticides. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.